This brand new Google AI called Nano Banana is going viral right now. It takes your photos and instantly turns them into collectible figurines. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can turn this single trend into a side hustle that makes up to $10,000 a month. So what exactly is Nano Banana? It's the nickname for Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. Think of it like Photoshop on steroids. You upload a photo, give it a simple prompt, and in just a few seconds it generates a tiny toy-style figurine version. And this figurine trend is what's blowing up across social media. In just the past few weeks, millions of people have tried it. TikTok accounts are getting millions of views by posting before and after figurine edits. Entire Instagram pages are being built just on this one trend. That kind of growth means one thing: if you get in early, you can capture attention fast. And attention, in today's world, means money. Let's see it in action. I'll upload a selfie and give Nano Banana this exact prompt. Make a 1/8 scale collectible figurine of this person, standing on a round display base. Keep the face identical. Glossy plastic look, studio lighting, no text, no watermark. And just like that, boom, the figurine version appears. That's less than a minute of work. Now let's try a pet photo. Prompt: create a 3D figurine of this pet, sitting on a mini shelf. Glossy painted plastic. Accurate markings. A toy-style box behind it with shapes. No text. And here's the result. An adorable toy-style version of the pet, ready to share. You don't have to stop at people and pets. Let's try a product photo. Prompt: turn this product into a miniature collectible with 2 matching accessories. Polished e-commerce look. Shallow depth of field. No text. This is where the figurine style becomes powerful. You can make anything look like it belongs in a toy catalog. And the best part? You can remix the results instantly. Same figurine, new style. For example, same figurine, arms crossed, neon shelf background. Nano Banana keeps the same identity but changes the pose and the environment. That means you can create endless variations for clients or for your own content. So how does this turn into real money? Here's the plan. Step 1. Offer custom figurines on Fiverr or Upwork for $25 each. 10 orders a day equals $7,500 a month. Step 2. Sell figurine posters or stickers on Etsy. Just 10 sales a day at $15 to $30 each adds up to around $3,000 more. Step 3. Post figurines daily on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. With consistent posting, you can grow fast, then monetize with sponsorships or digital products. Add all that up and you've got a clear path to $10,000 a month just from figurines. But a quick warning before you jump in. Only use photos that you own or that clients provide with permission. Don't sell celebrity figurines or copyrighted characters. And be clear that these are digital art pieces, not physical toys. If you stay within those lines, you'll be safe to build a long-term side hustle. Right now, Nano Banana is fresh, and early adopters always win. In my next video, I'll test if I can make $100 in just 24 hours using this exact method. So hit subscribe, drop a comment saying Banana Hustle if you're in, and let's build with AI together.